What's up, y'all? It's me, Khia Marie, and welcome to my first video. So today, I'm already ready, but today we're gonna go to a resort. So this is gonna be like just a little mini vlog on mini vlogs. I'm not doing the whole thing. A little spend a day in summer with me, because I don't have no content for this gonna be my first video. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a minute, but as y'all can see, I packed my stuff. I just packed like a little bit of stuff because we're not staying for too long. We staying for like, we going today and then we're gonna stay tomorrow and then we leaving Friday, but we're not staying too long. So I packed my stuff already and I already got ready, so I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Hold up. If I can, I got on like a little two-piece. Yeah, I don't want that. I got a little two-piece. Her got her purse. Her got your sand. Well, I can't see it. Her got your sandals. I got on these rings from Shein. Pandora. Both from Shein. Earrings from Shein. Let me show y'all. They are, yeah. But yeah. So yeah. I just want to do an introduction, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when we about to. But when we come, when we go to the place, like when we arrive at the place, cause I don't want to keep running my battery, and I gotta charge my camera. So I'll check back on y'all when we get there.
Few moments later.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want.
Hey y'all. So we made it to the resort. I don't know what time it is, but we made it to the resort. I look good. I'm gonna turn the camera so y'all can see. It's like you can see the beach from here. It's like a penthouse. My mic cover is gone. I don't know where it went, and my camera's about to die. But I just want to get back to y'all. I think we're going to dinner soon. I don't know. I think we're going to dinner, and then someplace else. But I'm gonna show y'all around. Well, I'm gonna show y'all my room first. Ooh, get up. Get back inside. This is the bathroom. I look back. This is the bathroom. You got some shit with the door that's cute. The bathroom. Just really nice. There's some other rooms, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. But overall, it's nice. I think I want to get ready. Hold up, my boat just like I'm outside it. Hold up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back inside because I like the view. So I think I want to get ready. I want to get ready and then show like different how can I say, different pieces of like what I do, but I have to charge my camera first. So I'm gonna charge my camera, then I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's like somewhat charged. And yeah.
Few moments later.
Y'all, so I'm back. It's so loud up over here. I'm gonna sit and talk about the taxi. But I'm back, so change of plans. We're not going to dinner. We're not going to dinner. We ordered pizza. And toured around we toured around like the whole resort and seeing what we could do. So tomorrow, this is the wristband they gave us. Hold up, if y'all can see it. They gave us that wristband. So tomorrow we finna tour. Not tour, but we're finna show y'all, right? Because we're finna have a beach shape. I'm gonna show y'all around the whole little resort. Right? Show y'all on the beach. Show y'all my outfit before, like when I'm getting ready, all that stuff. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm wearing, but yeah. So I'm gonna end this part off here, and then come back tomorrow when I'm getting ready to go. Probably when I wake up, because I have to go to the gym. I want to go to the gym. So I'm going to go to the gym when I wake up, and then I'm getting ready to go to the beach. So when I get up, I'm going to come back to y'all and record. So, yeah, this is it. So, peace out. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. I'm not even fully up. It's 6:32. I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep at all. I was up editing clips of the video, and I did not sleep. So since it's only 6:30, I'm gonna like go back to sleep, and then when I get up again, I'm gonna go show y'all I'm getting ready to start my day. But I am not with it right now, baby. I am tired. Okay. I know I look rough. I know. But yeah. So I'm gonna come back when I get up fully. Okay. Hey y'all. So I'm gonna I just got up. I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth. So let me do this right quick.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want? I don't know. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want? I don't know. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want? I don't
don't know.
As you can see, that's my little routine, my morning routine. So I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna go get my clothes. I got some, I don't know what I got. I'm gonna go get breakfast. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm like eat.
Few moments later.
Alright, yeah. So we're about to, well, I'm about to eat breakfast. Y'all wanna say hi to my mom? Mommy, say hi. Huh? Say hi. Okay, but I'm gonna eat breakfast. So, I don't know. I got some avocado toast from Dunkin' Donuts. If y'all ever had it, I don't know if y'all had it before. Let me turn my light up. Yeah, so I got some avocado toast. Y'all, why it look like that? Look at the bugs. And I'm planning to eat that. I guess. But we got hash browns and bacon too. But I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I probably shouldn't do that, but I don't know. Y'all, look how the microwave looks so fancy. Right here, I'm gonna open it up. Y'all know y'all got that microwave.
Boy, if you don't get.
But I'm putting this up because I'm not gonna be doing anything. How do you 30 seconds? Wait. Hold up. That's 3 seconds. Clear it. 30. So, 30 seconds. So, yeah, so today's plans, I don't really know what we're gonna do. I know we're gonna go down to the beach. Yeah, just enjoy like this. Definitely beach looking a little. Yeah. So we're just gonna enjoy this movie. Ooh, my data. But yeah, I'm not getting in the water. I already discussed that. I'm not getting in the water, and I barely got sleep. So I'm definitely not doing anything. But I'm putting on breakfast, y'all. So, y'all wanna see me eat? I'm back, but yeah, I'm putting my breakfast. I showed y'all what I got. I got me some bacon too. Some bacon, and then the avocado toast. You know, it used to come with 2. I don't know why I came in 1. But it's okay. But I'm gonna just talk about like my overall thing, like I'm trying to do with YouTube. So since it's gonna be my first video, I know it's not gonna blow up. So I'm just getting used to like being on camera, actually talking. So I don't do this stuff. Like I'll post in my main story. I post little clips. I don't mind posting on TikTok, but I don't post on my main story, like at all. But yeah, my camera finna freaking die again. I don't know what's up with the power. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy what I have to bring to the table, like content creating wise. And y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, and y'all, follow me on Instagram. At the real pretty girl. Cause I have an Instagram link to here, but it's not my that's not like my main page. Cause I don't have any pictures on my main page, so I couldn't post. Like I couldn't use that page. But y'all go follow me on Instagram, and I'll be back when we're about to go out. Cause we finna go out to a restaurant. We finna go to the beach, and then later on we finna go to a restaurant. So I'll show y'all my outfit and then get ready and stuff. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast. So I'm coming to y'all later. Hey y'all. So I got changed. Let me show y'all my outfit. So I got this cherry top and this little in my red book. Yeah, I'm just giving the girls. Bro, don't mind me, it's gonna harm y'all. I just feel but yeah, we finna go down to the beach in a minute. But yeah, I just wanna come back and show you my outfit. It's really cute. Let's take some pictures. But yeah, y'all. Okay, so y'all, we made it to the beach. The water is loud. I'ma just clip some footages to put in the video, because I'm not gonna record out here and it's hot. It's real hot. Hey y'all. So we're at the pool now. And I got in the water, but I didn't really stay. I didn't stay in the water, so I got in the beach water, so I didn't stay in it. I ain't gonna tell you what. So we're going out to do something to tell you what. This is me coming back. I'm gonna give y'all a area. But yeah, just chilling. But yeah, I'm gonna come back. We're about to go. Well, I'm not waiting for a while, you know. So I'm back, and we're about to go out to dinner. After we came from the pool, I took a nap because I was tired. Because I didn't sleep for real, because I was editing all last night. But we're finna go out to this place called 𝐜𝐭 right now. I'm gonna give y'all a little fit check because I just finished cutting. I wish I had my bigger tripod. But I got on this shirt from Shein. Yeah, it's from Paxson. These little bows on the side of my feet from Shein. Shein. 𝐜𝐭. Yeah. Just a little bit. After we end the after we go to dinner, I'm gonna end the vlog. Cause it's really nothing else, cause like after dinner, I'm just gonna come home and put on my pajamas and go to sleep and get ready to check out the next day. So yeah, I'm recording this part then after dinner. But I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog so far, cause I'm gonna keep it, but I barely knew what I was doing. Actually, like, cause since I'm a first time vlogger, like I know I did like a lot of clips where I was like, oh, like, well, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna come back when I do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna come back when I do this. I know, but I was just inserting little clips that I did to have like a whole little day in a life summer vlog. But yes, I think I did pretty good for my first time, but it'll be many more to come. Next one is like a little BTS haul, all pink. So Yeah, I might do my Shein haul because I have some stuff coming. I'm debating because that'll be a lot of editing on my part. So I might just do a whole BTS haul with the clothes included, or I might just do a separate Shein haul and not do a BTS haul. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the restaurant now, and I'm gonna take a little clip of the restaurant, insert it in the video, and then come back to y'all to close out the video. But I really hope y'all like it so far. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at Real Pretty Girl and Star Junkie. Follow me on TikTok. I just reached 1K TikTok followers. Follow me on TikTok. And yeah, just like and subscribe. I'm gonna come back to y'all when it's time to close that video. After the clips of the restaurant. I might record me at the restaurant too. Just add like a little more dazzle in there. But yeah, I think my fit is cute. I think my fit is cute. That'd be a cute picture. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave you off. Yeah. What's up here?
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast when you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hey y'all, I forgot to come back last night, but that'll be the end of my vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna get ready to go home. So yeah, I was just coming back to end the video, but I hope y'all liked it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching though. Stay tuned for my next post where I will be, I'm not gonna tell you my post. I probably already did. But stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get it out by like second week of August. Hopefully. But until next time.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.